Are you suffering from old unhealed injury, chronic pain in your neck, on your back, or your legs? Are you frustrated because you have to live with pain every day, even though you've tried everything you can think of to get relief? Finding a chiropractor could be your best choice right now. Chiropractic treatment is an effective way to treat pain condition, relieve stress, improve posture, and increase your overall health and endurance. We are a team of certified, highly skilled and experienced chiropractors who are qualified to evaluate and treat a wide range of conditions. We have a warm and healing environment where we listen to you and understand the factors affecting your health and provide individualized, comprehensive chiropractic treatment. Don't let pain be a part of your life any longer. Contact us today to see how much we can help.